resistance. Next experiment is to determine resistance per unit length of a constant wire having length 100 centimeter to calculate the specific resistance of a material wire. We need a DC source of 2 volt or 3 volt, a resistance box, coil resistor, ammeter ranging 0 to 1 ampere, 0 to 1 ampere, voltmeter range 0 to 3 volt, 1 meter long wire mounted on a meter board, jockey plug key, connecting wire, specified wire W, screw gauge, crocodile clip. So in this experiment, I have not taken any crocodile clip, it's not required. We have make our circuit in our own way. This is the circuit, students, you can see. So here you can see this is a circuit diagram. What you do, we just initially we keeping the resistance box resistance such that the current is maximum, and for that to find out the value of I0 and the resistance for which I is maximum. So see students, this is a circuit diagram. This is a source, positive, negative. From positive of the wire, the current is going to the coil and going to the ammeter positive, then negative terminal positive, ammeter positive, then this negative terminal is going to the coil resistor. From here it is going to the key, and from other terminal of key it is going to the resistance box, and from other terminal of resistance it is going to the negative terminal. So the circuit is completed. Now I am switching on the circuit. You can see it is showing reading over here. So if we see it properly, it is around, I think it is more than 0.2, right? It is more than 0.2. We have to see for which value of resistance it is maximum. Now students, since there is no resistance in the circuit, because no resistance is lifted up, but all are inserted, so definitely you can expect there will be maximum current over here. But if you increase resistance, automatically the current will be decreasing. For 1 ohm resistance, for example, it is 0.2 ohm. If you take out 1.5 again, it will decrease again, it is 0.2. So more resistance you take out, it is showing lesser value of current. If I take out 2 ohm resistance from here, it will showing less value of current. That means lesser the resistance, more is the current. Now if you choose the resistance such a way that current is maximum. That's why for our significance or our convenience, here you are taking the resistance 0.1. This is the lowest resistance for which we are getting some maximum current. Because the lowest resistance, that's why you can expect maximum current should be there. So it is somewhere around 2.1 and one more reading here. And if you can see, there are 10 divisions are there, and between 0.2 and 0.3 5 divisions are there. That's why it will be 0.22 ampere, and I am assuming resistance to be 0.1 ohm. See here 0.1 ohm, and current should be 0.22 ampere, right? This is your first part of the experiment. Next we have to prepare next circuit. This is the next circuit, removing the coil resistor and keeping the same resistance as we are finding out. For example, here it is 0.1 ohm resistance. So in the circuit you have to take the resistance RB is equal to 0.1 ohm only.